everyone. So I'll just start by defining immersive reality. Really, I mean, this new technology, emerging technology. So it's uh, useful to level set and really figure out what we are talking about. So immersive technology is technology that creates a sense of immersion or presence in a simulated environment. And it really, the goal is to seamlessly blend the physical and virtual worlds to give you a sense of immersion in reality. So we'll talk about the types of this in the next slide. So extended reality, or XR for short, is a really broad term that encompasses various immersive technologies. Primarily includes augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. Virtual reality replaces reality entirely. Augmented reality enhances it with overlays, and mixed reality blends virtual and physical elements seamlessly. So I'm sure you've all experienced different aspects of this, but yeah, the augmented reality is, in the example shown, the mechanic is able to access and review the motorcycle engine configuration as she's working on the physical motorcycle itself. So she can see the motorcycle, but in addition to that, she sees augmented images. Virtual reality replaces reality entirely. In this image, you see a contractor visualizing the design of a remodeled bathroom through his VR headset. So he understands what's expected for installation. None of what he's seeing actually exists. It's all simulated. Mixed reality allows for both virtual and physical objects to coexist. So virtual objects are aware of real physical objects. So in this model, you can see the model resting on a conference room table, and the user is able to interact with the objects and the interface, unlike with augmented reality. So it's really a combination of the two. Let's take a closer look at the differences between them. Again, augmented reality superimposes digital objects on real-world physical surroundings. AR will require hardware with a camera. Usually, this can come in the form of smart glasses, headsets, smartphones, or a tablet. Virtual reality, on the other hand, is 100% a fully digital computer-generated environment. It will require a special headset and controllers that are equipped with sensors. Mixed reality allows both virtual and real-world objects to coexist. So it will give you an experience of both AR and VR. You will need hardware that is made to deliver against the characteristics of both AR and hardware, AR and VR. So when it comes to hardware, there are lots of options, and this slide is just a sampling of some of the leading hardware and device providers. There are many more. And I'm sure you've all heard of the big names like Meta, Google, Apple, etc., offer hardware or headsets that target enterprise and industrial applications. But there is a misconception in the market that these are primarily, I guess, gaming devices. But there are lots of manufacturers who have devices designed specifically for the enterprise and then industrial use cases. And a lot of these on the screen are doing just that. If you are seriously considering adopting XR, we recommend that you consult with an XR solutions provider that specializes in helping enterprises adopt and scale. So these companies are hardware agnostic and offer comprehensive services from procurement, software provisioning, training, fleet management, and more. We can definitely refer you to XR solution providers on that front. Alex, do you have anything that you could add to that?
Yeah, I think Devarshi, for me, I guess delivery of devices at the moment is converging. And where you mentioned mixed reality, a lot of that is now accessed by a virtual reality device. And fundamentally, the likes of Meta Quest Pro, just the Meta Quest 3 device, the Vision Pro, are all being now delivered with a range of cameras on the outside. And those cameras then present a digital image back to the user internally. And those devices then have the fundamental ability to blend those words, as you say, into mixed reality. Yeah, so the cheapest way into a mixed reality environment is by a Meta Quest Pro headset. And that differs from true augmented reality with a device like the Magic Leap, for example, where you're looking through a lens with waveguide technology, yeah, to superimpose the 3D object. So I think it becomes really, like you said, in looking at these devices to consult with an XR specialist to see which one is really going to fit your use case. There's definitely an emergence of the technologies in the mixed reality environment.